Today in this video I'm gonna explain APK on iPhone. Install APK files on iOS, no computer. Open your browser app on your iPhone. Go to the address bar and type APK Pure and press enter. Click on the APK Pure link to visit the website. Use the search bar on APK Pure to find the APK file you want to install. Once found, click on the download link for the APK file. After downloading the APK file, go to your home screen and open the App Store. Search for an app called Black Font and install it. Open the Black Font app and click on the blue font for iPhone. Click open and then click install from the App Store. Verify your security with Face ID or Touch ID and wait for the download to complete. Go back to your browser's home screen. Type userscarlet.com in the search bar and press enter. Find the installation button with red font and click on it. Any other browser tabs and click the installation button again. Click direct install and wait for Scarlet to install. Once Scarlet is installed, open it. Search for the IP file you want to install by typing IPA file in the search bar. Find the IPA file for the app you want to install and click the download link. Wait for the IPA file to download, ensuring a stable internet connection. Install the downloaded IPA file using Scarlet. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation process is complete, you can enjoy using the installed apps on your iPhone without the need for a computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.